Isn't that an awesome label? I mean, I love the wolves. They're so cute because they're not stopping doing their job, but they kind of get distracted, if you see what I'm saying. 2015 vintage. This is a Riserva Brunello. Let's get serious because the wine, man, it is one of my favorite Brunellos. Actually, one of my favorite reds. I'm serious. 15 has been generous vintage. Riserva means that the wine goes for 33 months of big oak cask aging. But at the same time, before the wine gets there, goes through almost a couple of months of maceration of the juice in contact with the skin to grab as much juice as possible. Then there is 1 year of cement chilling out of the wine, so in cement vats, and then another year in the bottle. Really? Really? This is serious. So a lot of years of aging to come up with this super elegant roots, rhubarb, sweet rhubarbs, and sage flowers, red currants, a little bit of violets, and underneath there is a lovely moss and leather notes. Dangerous stuff. Boom. Explosion, I'm serious. You don't believe me? Crack open a bottle with me, man. I'm serious. This wine has got super sweet juice. You know, it tastes sweet, but it's dry. There is so much fruit to chew, lingering. And also, the great thing about this wine is the aging potential. The wines are ready to drink now. You can down the bottle, you shouldn't do that, but by yourself, without any food. But then if you bring some food, bring some people, boom. Lupi and Sirene is